Edge protection along ramp runs, landing, keep wheelchair caches and crutch tips on the surface and can be provided by curbs, barriers, or extended surfaces. Edge protection is not required at ramps that are less than 6 inches in rise, that have side flares, ramp landing serving an adjoining run. So if I have the ramp coming this way, then I turn and come back up, there's no edge protection needed. So sides of ramp landing with a vertical drop off of 1/2 inch within 10 inches. So if I only drop 1/2 inch within 10 inches of the edge, then I don't need it. But in any other case, I need a smooth barrier that does not allow passage of a 4-inch sphere, or I extend the ramp surface 12 inches past the edge of the handrail. So here's some more examples. Solid curb barrier that's less than 4 inches does not allow this 4-inch sphere to pass through, does not allow 4-inch sphere to pass through here. And if a 4-inch sphere can pass through here, then I extend it 12 inches past that edge of the handrail.